In this video, I'm going to show you how to erase your Mac and reinstall macOS. So this video is divided into three parts. The first step is to download the latest version of macOS from App Store. Then you have to make a bootable USB drive to install macOS from that USB into your Mac. Then you have to install macOS and erase all the content on your Mac. Now let's start from step 1. In first step, you have to download the latest version of macOS from App Store, which is quite easy. You just have to open App Store, then search for macOS. In this case, I'm searching for Catalina because it is the latest version of macOS now. Then click on that search. You will find the search result in the Mac App Store labeled as macOS, and whatever the name is. The latest one now is Catalina. Then click on Get. It will be from Apple. It will open settings and start finding update. Then you will see a prompt to download the Mac. Now it will start downloading. In this case, I've already downloaded, so I'm cancelling here. I'm just doing this video to show you how you can do the steps. So now, after downloading, close this and go to Finder. In the application section, you will find the downloaded macOS here. It will be something like macOS.app. You need not. So the second step is creating a bootable USB for installing macOS. Now that you have already downloaded macOS from App Store, you need to create a bootable USB drive to install macOS into your Mac. For this, you need a pen drive at least 16 GB. Plug that pen drive, wait for it to appear, then open Spotlight or Terminal, then go to Disk Utility. Open Disk Utility, then you will see the USB drive. Click on the USB drive, click on Erase, then change the name to My Volume, capital M and capital V, My Volume, and then choose the file format as macOS Extended Journaled. Wait for it to erase. Now this is complete. Click on Done. Now go to Safari. In Safari, search for macOS Bootable. You will find the first link from Apple how to create a bootable drive. Just open this. Here they will give the instruction on how to make a bootable USB drive. We have already selected the volume name as My Volume and formatted as macOS Extended Journal. Now they will give you all the like a command to copy and paste. You need to copy the Mac OS you are trying to make bootable drive. In my case, I'm trying to make Catalina bootable. So I will copy this. You have to copy this command properly. Don't change anything. Now it is copied, go to Spotlight, then search for Terminal. Then paste this by clicking Command and V. Now enter your Mac password. It will ask for your password. After entering the password, it will erase your drive and it will start copying all the Mac OS files from your computer to the pen drive, making it a bootable USB drive. It might take some time, 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the USB drive. I've set this up to 25x, so you don't need to wait that much to watch the video. So let's wait till it makes a bootable USB drive. So now you can see it's copying files to disk, 10%, 20%, 30%. It will take some time, so sit back, relax, do something. This is basically just copying all the downloaded macOS files to your pen drive, making it a bootable drive. A bootable drive is a drive which can install the operating system from your USB to your Mac. Wait for it to complete. See, it's completed. So now the third step, installing macOS into your Mac by erasing the whole computer if you want. So for this, your pen drive has become a bootable USB drive. Now restart your Mac and keep holding the Option key while restarting, and don't remove your USB drive. While restarting, keep holding the Option key. Then you will see two options, Macintosh HD and the bootable drive you just created. In this case, macOS Catalina. Open macOS Catalina. So now it's booting from the bootable USB drive. So you will see the Apple logo, the progress bar. Then you will be taken into macOS recovery. In this macOS utilities, go to disk utility. Now we have to erase the Mac. So inside disk utility, see on the left corner, you will see a view. Click on that and click show all devices. Now click on the Apple SSD, whatever drive is in your Mac. Then click erase. Then keep whatever name you want to keep. In this case, default name is Macintosh HD and keeping it Macintosh SSD. Keep whatever name you want for your drive. Then leave the file format as default and then erase. Wait for it to erase. It is erasing all the data in your Mac, including the operating system. Everything will be erased. It will take some time, 30-40 seconds. Wait for it to complete. Now it's done. Click on done. Close the window. Now click on install macOS. Now we are going to install a fresh copy of the operating system. Now click on continue. I recommend to keep your Mac on charging while doing this step because it might take some time. If your battery is not properly there, it might need to restart the process again. So click on continue. Now it is copying all the files to the drive from pen drive. It will take some time. Wait for it. I've sped this video again to 25x, so you don't have to wait for that much. Now it's installing macOS into the drive. It will take some time. So this step you can either use whenever you want to clean your Mac, means you want to erase the whole data and reinstall macOS, or when a new version of operating system come and you want to start as a fresh clean start. You don't want to upgrade normally, or if something is going wrong with your Mac, it's not working properly, or if you're selling your Mac, you can erase the whole Mac and by doing this and then sell. So installing of operating system will take some time. This whole process will take 20 minutes. It might take some time, so you have to wait. It's installing. Now the operating system has been installed and the Mac is restarting. Now we'll be prompted with a welcome screen. Thank you for watching this video. For any doubt, comment on this.